Alright, welcome back. Welcome to LCS TV Plus. And today I'm going to teach you how to maneuver your Bitcoin around on the CashApp application. Also, what to do next after receiving your Bitcoin from Megan Thee Stallion with a partnership with CashApp of them giving away $1 million in Bitcoin. So I'm going to teach you the best strategy route and how to maneuver your Bitcoin around through the CashApp application. This is going to be a 2021 tutorial of how to use the CashApp through the Bitcoin section. Also, today's sponsor of this video is my personal merch brand, LCSX Merch. If you was ever looking for some dope crypto merch, I definitely got you. I recently dropped my Harder Game Fall/Winter 2020 collection. We're trying to be the first crypto streetwear brand in America. Definitely check me out. I got some trending topics. I got some DeFi hype. Definitely check it out. If you ever want to do fashion business through Instagram with my merchandise, definitely hit me up in the DM or by email. I definitely would give you a discount. I definitely got some unique pieces and trending topics here. This is a trendjacking type video topic here, and I know this video is going to blow up because there's a lot of Cash Appers out there who don't know how to functionalize Bitcoin onto the Cash App application. So I hope you find this video helpful. Also, if you ever want to set up a consultation or an appointment with me, head over to my Linktree link in the description section below. It will redirect you to my services. And also, if you're just getting started in crypto and you want the best recommendation platform as possible, I do have my affiliate links in the description section below. Let's get it. All right, so I'm officially on the CashApp mobile application on my iPhone. So what I'm going to do is head over to the banking section here where it shows my account balance. So I recently deposited $20 just to show you an example of me buying $10 worth of Bitcoin and also selling it and acting like if Megan Thee Stallion sent me $10 worth of Bitcoin as a giveaway. So before we even start all that, we need to understand how Bitcoin functionalizes on the CashApp. So I'm going to head over to the Bitcoin category here. I'm going to break each section down so you can get an understanding. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and start buying some Bitcoin. So starting with amount, we have the US dollar valuation and Satoshi unit. So what is a Satoshi? So Satoshi is the smallest increment of Bitcoin. So for an example, we have 100 pennies that equals $1. Then we have 100 million Satoshis that equals 1 Bitcoin. So Satoshi Nakamoto made it this way for us to buy the smallest increments of things with the convenience. So the problem today with cash is you have to break down dollars. You know, a lot of people are asking for change. We on a coin shortage. So to me, I think it's getting less convenient for us, you know, to break down dollars to get whatever we want that we don't have to change for, right? So it fixes the property of money, in my opinion. All right, so taking a look at the wallet section here. So if anybody want to send you Bitcoin or if you want to deposit your Bitcoin to your wallet here, you can just hit deposit Bitcoin. This is your public recipient address. This is what people send to you. Also, if you want to deposit anything from a different exchange, you can send it to this address and then deposit into your CashApp Bitcoin wallet. So you have two options here. You can use your public recipient address here that is long random text, or you can just scan it with any device that has a camera functionality where you can just scan it and it automatically fills the public recipient address in. Easy. You can copy it from here so you can email it or text it, or you can just send the address to anybody, your friend, family, any clients or anything like that. All right, so taking a look at the Bitcoin limit here, I'm gonna break down the limits that you'll be able to purchase, sell, deposit, or withdraw. So starting with purchase, it's telling me that I can purchase up to $100,000 worth of Bitcoin per week. That's a lot of capital. On the sell part, it's telling me it's unlimited. So I don't have no restrictions of how much Bitcoin I could sell. It's unlimited, so I can sell anytime. On the deposit level, it says that I can only deposit $10,000 worth of Bitcoin per week onto the CashApp mobile application, right? So, and then on the withdrawal section, it's telling me per day, I can only withdraw $2,000 worth of Bitcoin per day. On the week, I can only withdraw $5,000 worth of Bitcoin per week. So that is your Bitcoin limit reading. If we scroll down, we have display units. So right now, I'm in Satoshi value. So if I switch it to BTC, which is the ticker of Bitcoin, if I scroll up, it just switched the stats to BTC reading. So if I have money in it, it'll just show me decimal places in BTC, right? Where if I switch to Satoshis, it'll just show the US dollar valuation in the smallest increment of Bitcoin. You have two options here. I like the Satoshi reading because it helps me keep in better tracking of how much Satoshis that I'm collecting. You can hit this Learn More tab if you want to learn more. Also, if you want to understand the fundamental of Bitcoin. All right, so now we understand the category of how Bitcoin functionalizes onto the CashApp. So now we're going to make our first investment of $10. So what we're going to do is head over to the swivel line here. We're going to go to the investing tab. And then what we're going to have to do is just switch this toggle to Bitcoin. And I'm going to teach you how to read this charting view. So looking at the time steps from the bottom, it shows 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and all the performance, right, throughout the whole Bitcoin charting. So we're going to go back to 1 day, which shows today how much it's up. So breaking it down, we have our US dollar valuation that tells you how much money we have invested into Bitcoin. On the left bottom, it shows you the price, which is 27,000. Then in the middle, it shows the arrow, meaning that it's up or down. So if it shows the arrow down, that's mean it's down, and it shows the percentage. So it's up today 1.20% today. And this is your charting. You can also tap it to view the previous timestamps. This makes it helpful so you can kind of understand, like, hey, where was this price at this time, anything like that. So that's how you use your charting timestamp, right? All right, so I'm gonna buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm gonna hit this buy tab here, and where it says standard one-time order, that just letting me know I'm making a one-time purchase. Also on the bottom here, it says the smallest amount I can invest in is $1. So if you're really scared, you can just test the waters with $1. Also over here with the 3 dots, it's a custom keypad. You can put in whatever amount. So if you want to invest like 500, you can, or any other amount. So I'm gonna hit buy. I could change this frequently buy to daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna do one time and hit 10, hit next. This is a confirmation receipt, like an overview, and then I'm gonna hit confirm. All right, so after purchasing my $10 worth of Bitcoin, it took the fee out. So regularly it was $9.78 after they took the fee out. It went up 1 cent so far. So the market's going to be volatile. So just be in mind of that. Now we're going to go over the send functionality. So if I hit this paper airplane here, I'm going to hit send Bitcoin. I can actually send Bitcoin to whoever, you know. And this is the magic of sending money instead of having a bank account. So this is in Satoshi value. So it's telling me the $9.79 that I have. This is how much it's worth in the smallest increment of Bitcoin. It's 36,187 Satoshis. So I can actually switch this converter to USD to get like a fixed rate. So I can put $5 and it'll tell me at the bottom that is worth around 18,484 Satoshis. And I can actually hit send. And like I was talking about with the public recipient address, somebody else had an account, a CashApp account. They can actually send that recipient address to you. You can paste it in here, and you can send that $5 worth of Bitcoin to them. Or, like I said, in the left-hand corner, you got the scanning, where you can scan the QR code. So that's how you pretty much send your Bitcoin. All right, so now I'm going to teach you how to sell your Bitcoin. This way you can lock in your profits. So it's telling me sell Bitcoin, then it shows the amount that I have available. I can hit all, hit next. It just tell me, okay, you want to sell this, and this is the confirmation receipt. And the fee that it's going to take out is 29 cents. So when I hit confirm, all right, so it's telling me that I sold my Satoshi. All right, so if I go back to the banking where it shows my account balance, you see that after the fee, I got $19.48. I can cash that out anytime back to my bank account, and that's how you completely use Bitcoin onto the CashApp. So thank you for watching. This is Oliver, and I'm signing out. If you have any comments, just leave it in the comment section below, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.